Hello, Sullivan West teachers and students. This is Bryce, and today we're going to be running through simplifying expressions. Hope this helps. So we're going to start off with a really nice and easy one. So really the key to understanding this is thinking of the letters and the numbers as separate entities and don't combine them. So here, just worry about the two A's. So negative A minus A, negative 2A, and there's the plus 1, equals negative 2A plus 1. And that cancels out and you get 0, because you can plug anything into the A's and they will cancel out and you get 0 for that one. Let's do another quick example. In this one we're going to involve some square roots. Alright, so for this one it's the same thing, but instead of just thinking of them as letters and numbers, you're going to have 3 separate groups. Well, actually this one is only 2 again. You have your U's, where you just have the U, and then you have your U squares, where you just have the square U's. So you want to think of those as 2 separate things. Your U's is one group, and then your squared U's is the other group. So let's combine those up. Negative 10U squared minus U squared equals negative 11U squared plus U equals negative 11U squared plus U again, and like I said, cancel out to 0 again. Alright, so that's how you simplify expressions. I hope that helps.